Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Cordless Sabre Saw 20V from Parkside. It is the performance line with a 5 years warranty. The model PSSAP 2028B2. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. Compatible with all batteries in the X20V team series. With a brushless motor, particularly long service life due to less wear and tear. Stroke length it is 28mm, no load stroke rate from 0 to 2300 SPM on first level and second level from 0 to 3000 SPM. Chuck it is keyless, max cutting capacity 255mm in wood, 20mm in unlayout steel, 25mm in non-ferrous metal and 150mm in metal pipes. Accessories for wood and metal. Recommended battery 20V 4Ah smart PAPS 204A1, ready to connect, and you need to download the Parkside app. And in comparison to the Parkside Cordless Sabre Saw PSSA 20LIC3, it has 10 times longer motor life, 21% more stroke length and 155% higher cutting capacity in wood. Let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it, and of course I will test and that. Nice and durable case, red and black, Parkside performance. Included we have the manual. And there's the tool. Flexible metal cutting blade. Clean wood Parkside performance cutting blade. Tool included, nothing else. And here obviously you can have the 4.5Ah fast charger or the regular, or you can use one of the batteries here for storage and the other one here. Install it with the tool, and together with the tool you can have the battery and the case. Plenty space for all the batteries and the chargers and the tool. Nice and robust housing, soft grip here and here. I like that, it feels very nice to my hand. Parkside performance brushless motor, switch lock here, otherwise it will not work the trigger. Press the switch lock and then the trigger. Here we have the connected LED display, and there is the speed adjustment here, first and second. At the front we have the LED working light here, the lever, unlock, lock, the foot plate, you can remove if you want, and then lock it after find the correct position. You can remove otherwise, you need to unlock. And of course it is very easy to install one of the blades. It has an automatic chuck, keyless chuck. Pull this lever and insert the blade. And of course you can use the 4Ah or the 8Ah. I will use the 8Ah battery. Connect it. We can see and the LED light is connected with the battery. The working LED light. Speed 1. and the second. Nice! I like it. And of course with the Parkside app you can have more information about this tool. Parkside app. Connected. There it is, Cordless Sabre Saw 20 volt. And we have some informations. Firmware update available. Okay, I can update my battery. Update now. How cool is that? You can update your battery. So let's wait. Done. And there it is, back again, connected. We have the device name, operating mode, performance or expert. Expert, and here you can adjust the speed, maximum 3000 RPM. Okay, let's test that. I like it. It is on 2000 RPM. How cool is that? I can control the speed from my smartphone. Now, who it will bother to do that when it's working? But you can do. LED walking light, off or on. We can see here at the front. It is on, off. On again. You need to press the trigger. LED intensity. Okay, nice. I don't know if you can see that. Amazing. You can do so many things. Fade out time. Fade out time for the LED, 26 seconds, 53 seconds, 99 seconds. Let's test that. 1 second. And it is off. Off, okay. 35 seconds. Overheat count, block count, overcurrent count, total tool operating time, the firmware version, and battery settings. We have the current temperature, lock the battery. You can do that if you set a pin. Operating mode, performance, balanced, eco or expert. Balanced, we can see we have a discharge voltage 2.8 and discharge current 80 amp. Eco 3 volt and 60 amp. Expert, and here you can adjust from 2.5 volt to 3.4 volt and discharge current from 5 amp to 100 amp. I prefer performance. Overheat notification, enable, identify the battery. There is the LED indicator for the battery, so if I'm going to press that, it's flashing for a few seconds. You know what battery you have installed, if you have many batteries from Parkside. Current charge, discharge current, working hours, so many informations. In the past I have made a video for this battery, how you can use it from the app. You can check that video after the end of this video right in the corner. But it is amazing to control the speed from your smartphone, the LED indicator, and see some important informations about the tool and the battery. So let's move on and test this Sabre Saw. This versatile tool really stands out for both DIYers and professionals who need power and flexibility for their cutting tasks. The 20V cordless power gives you total freedom to work anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. Whether you're cutting wood, metal or plastic, the cordless design offers excellent mobility on any job site. With its high-performance brushless motor can handle tough materials with ease, delivering smooth and precise cuts. The versatile speed controls ensures you have full control, making it suitable for detailed work as well as heavy-duty tasks. The tool-free blade change system allows for fast and easy swapping between different blades, saving you time and hassle while working on different materials. The saw's lightweight ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. It's designed to give you full control even during longer projects. If you are looking for a robust and reliable tool for your cutting needs, the Parkside Professional Cordless Sabre Saw 20V is definitely worth considering. I hope this review helped you get a better idea for what this saw can do and how it could fit into your next project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool reviews and tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.